Hi everyone, my name is Shivani and I'm the face behind My Bowl of Fun. Today we are talking to Shweta and she will be coming live with me and we'll be talking on Chat with Creative Locals. So let's quickly add her and we'll start the chat. Shweta, if you can hear me, just send me the request. Hello everyone. Hey Shweta, if you can send me the request so that I can quickly take you live. Oh, everyone is joining. Great. Hi guys, whoever has joined, my name is Shivani and I'm the face behind My Bowl of Fun. Let's quickly add Shweta today, who, yeah, I think she has just sent me. We're just waiting for her to join.
Yeah,
Hey Shweta, hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Okay.
Just give me a second. Let me just pin
Yeah,
the
yeah.
comment first.
Is it all clear?
Yeah,
The
yeah, it's
visibility is
clear,
good?
it's clear. It's
Okay,
clear.
fine.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Okay.
Are you able
So,
to hear me?
yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool.
So,
Cool.
welcome to Chat with Creative Locals and thank you so much for your time. So, I have not introduced or shared any introduction right now. Quickly, I just want to just talk about you that, she started as she's a financial analyst and she was working in a company for 9 years, and then she decided that no, it's done and I need to quit my job and do something much more interesting, and that's how her travel journey started, and she's a travel entrepreneur now. And Shweta, I'll give it over to you. I just want to have, like, we'll just start with that Tripper Journeys is your, is your company name. I just want to understand that how did you just, started Tripper Journeys, and how did the journey started basically?
Yeah. So, Tripper Journeys is we started Tripper Journeys in March 2018. We just before the lockdown we completed 2 years.
Okay.
We are focusing on orbit tourist destinations in India.
Okay.
I mean, so what do you mean by orbit tourism? Is like we take people to unknown, uncommon, and not so famous tourist destinations.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
we are doing heritage and architectural trips. We are doing nature trips, like wherein we take people to unexplored waterfalls, naturally created caves, ancient temples, cultural trips. We do treks. So we are
Mhm.
trying to give a bit of everything to people by keeping orbit tourism in focus.
Okay.
I'm happy to say that in last 2 years we have been able to do more than 50 trips. We work in two formats, like we do fixed departure tours, that is like group tours, which I personally lead every other time. I am with
Acha.
the group from start to end. And we also do FITs, that is customized bookings. We do all the logistics and hotel bookings for the clients as per their preferences. So this is
Okay.
how we are operating at present.
Okay.
This is actually entirely handled by me at present. Uh,
Yeah, I
but
know. I know.
my friends and my sister helps me at times. But yeah,
Okay.
it's a one man or one woman army, you can say. uh, how did it start? I have been traveling since last 10 years. So even when I was in corporate, I used to work I tried working with few travel groups. I used to, take group tours to lot of places. I used to lead treks. So that's how I got a little hands-on experience on tour planning, taking people to places, looking after the logistics requirements and stuff
Everything.
like that. So basically, I figured out that I like this, and in the meantime, I also used to take my friends on personal trips. So I used to take the charge. I used to organize everything. So my
Plan
friends also
everything.
started. Yeah, yeah. So my friends also started suggesting that you should do something in this particular field because you seem to be pretty good at organizing things. When it
Acha.
comes to travel full
Okay.
time, there are a lot of things. When it comes to traveling full time, there are a lot of segments. Like you can do blogging, you can do vlogging, or you can get into tour organizing, which I did. So
True.
I thought of quitting corporate many times, but you know how it is difficult. The first question that comes is, how are you going to pay your bills? How are you
Yeah.
going to pay your EMIs? And I was working at a pretty good position,
Yeah.
earning pretty well. But then there was something missing. I was like kind of thinking कि like let's do something different with your life. I mean अभी नहीं करेंगे तो कभी करेंगे.
Correct.
बहुत सारा, I mean, it was not an easy. I mean, it does sound very crazy to quit corporate. It is a risky and gutsy decision. But
हाँ.
एक बार मैंने 2050 में सोच लिया कि आई थिंक अब अगर सोचते रहेंगे तो सोचते ही रह जाएंगे. Let's
True.
do our research. Let's do some planning and then quit. So
Correct.
that's how I quit in August 2016. The major thing that comes is financial planning because I that's what I prefer to do. I sold off my property. That's again another crazy thing which I did, but I think I was okay to do that. So
हाँ.
I figured out about my finances because when you start a new business, you tend to have a lot of finance concern because time लगता है पैसा आने में भी नए business से.
So,
So I just wanted to
Shweta,
secure myself. हाँ,
okay.
yeah,
So I just have like corporate jobs. I think because
हाँ,
9 years you had that experience, and then
yes.
so how you just mentioned that you did your financial planning and you planned everything out. So how like that decision was helpful to quit that job and get into this full
Yeah, it
time.
was.
That helped.
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
And Triple Journeys is by God's grace, it is doing good. I mean, before
Yeah.
lockdown, we were doing pretty fine for 2 years, and I didn't face any issues as such, as in terms of financial crunch आ गया है या फिर ऐसे कुछ नहीं हुआ. It all depends upon your research. It all depends upon what kind of financial planning you're doing. Uh, I think yeah, and I think since the time I started working, I have been very concerned about my savings and investments.
Okay.
I mean, you have to take care about your spends. Even though you're drawing a pretty good salary, you have to be always careful about what are your spends. So वो मैंने
Got it.
पहले से ही I've been conscious about my savings and investments. So that is now helping me even during lockdown situation. Those savings and investments are helping me to
Got
survive.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. So, like when you said that picking up a offbeat career or a creative choice which you made, like how was it very difficult to make that choice that I just want to quit this and I want to get into a creative career or an offbeat career which you just mentioned. Like, I just want to understand on that part.
uh, so when I was actually planning to start this travel agency or travel company, I was thinking like I want to do something different. I mean, because every other travel company is doing the similar regular trips, international locations.
Yeah.
I wanted to stand out. I wanted to do something which not many people are doing.
Yeah.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हाँ जस्ट ये एक पर्टिकुलर नीच सेगमेंट पिकअप कर लिया एंड स्टार्ट कर लिया. आई डिड माई रिसर्च. I did my research and then I thought of doing something. And at that time offbeat tourism बहुत कम. I mean I work from Mumbai, so at that time बहुत कम लोग थे जो ये पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को टच कर रहे थे. I know some people personally who are doing this, but female entrepreneurs are very less. बहुत कम
In the field.
विमेन है जो ग्रुप टूर्स लेके जाती है. सो
Okay.
दिस इंटर्न हेल्प्स फीमेल ट्रैवलर्स ऑल्सो. And I've been amazed to
Yeah.
see the response by female travelers. I mean, out of all the tours I did in last 2 years, there have been 75% contribution by females. So
Oh
there
wow.
is a there is a scope if you do your research and if you have gut feeling that this will work, then it
Yeah.
is going to work. Yeah. I mean,
Nice.
why not? Why to
So,
do something very regular? I think I would definitely would want to take a risk and do something offbeat.
absolutely, absolutely. So, when you like, I'll just come back with you on the triple journeys, and there you mentioned the offbeat tourism focus रहता है, and you actually pick these tour plans which are really offbeat. And Shweta, I have to mention this to everyone. So what Shweta does is, and I've seen it on her profile, is that how she plans her trips or tours is पहले वो खुद जाती है, then she will do all the research, then she will come back and she will make a tour for you. So that was, I was like stunned. Like, कि यार, nobody, I don't think anybody is doing so much research, spending that money. And I remember one incident that you visited Gwalior, and I think it was April. Like, if I have to call it out, that April is the peak summers in Gwalior. Crazy,
Yes,
crazy
yes,
hot.
yes,
And
yes.
you were super happy, you were smiling, and you were doing your research. So, like, कहाँ से आती है इतनी energy, so much motivation, and these offbeat tourist destinations? Like, what is, just share some more, details
Yeah.
about it.
Yeah, so if I talk about like if I talk it like personally, मैं खुद ये places last 4-5 years से explore कर रही हूँ.
हाँ,
I used to see very less Indian tourists at these locations. Foreigners आपको मिलेंगे, but Indian tourists बहुत कम मिलते थे. So
okay.
I used to feel amazed and surprised. Like India has got so much to see. India has got so much to explore. We have more than 30 UNESCO World Heritage sites in India itself. बट लोगों को सिर्फ ताजमहल पता होगा या फिर मनाली ऊटी जाते हैं. आई मीन दे प्रिफर द फेमस टूरिस्ट लोकेशंस इन इंडिया.
Yeah.
सो जब भी ट्रिपल जर्नीज भी स्टार्ट करने का सोच रही थी, तभी मैंने यही पॉइंट लिया कि ये लोकेशन शायद लोगों को पता नहीं है, और जिनको पता भी है उनको शायद एक्सेसिबिलिटी का इशू होता होगा. बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ यूज टू फेस प्रॉब्लम्स. कभी एक्सेसिबिलिटी मतलब कभी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट ठीक नहीं है, कभी कभी प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट हायर करना पड़ता था. फूड एंड
Hmm.
स्टे ऑप्शंस बहुत लिमिटेड है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट सो फेमस टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन. बहुत कम रिस्पॉन्स रहता है ये जगह सारी प्लेसेस को. सो
Got it.
मुझे खुद को अगर एज एन एक्सपीरियंस ट्रैवलर अगर डिफिकल्टी होती है, देन बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको एक्सप्लोर करना है, पता है करना है, फिर भी नहीं.
Right.
सो देन दैट्स हाउ ट्रिपल जर्नीज केम इनटू अ पिक्चर कि वी विल हेल्प दिस पीपल. एंड जब भी मैं खुद ट्रिप्स करके आती थी ना, तभी
Correct.
आई यूज टू पोस्ट पिक्चर्स ऑन माई सोशल मीडिया और फेसबुक पे कर लिया. पीपल यूज माई फ्रेंड्स यूज टू आस्क मी, श्वेता ये सच में इंडिया में है, ये पता नहीं था, एंड टेक अस नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू गो देयर. सो धीरे
हाँ.
धीरे वो आइडिया फॉर्म होने लगा माइंड में कि आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क. सो ऑफबीट डेस्टिनेशंस चूज. एक तो बहुत सारी यू नो यू गेट टू सी लॉट ऑफ ब्लॉग्स, यू गेट टू सी लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूब वीडियोस, देन यू राइट यू रीड लॉट ऑफ स्टाफ. बहुत सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं जो मुझे फॉरवर्ड करते हैं इफ दे कम अक्रॉस एनी सच डेस्टिनेशन कि बहुत श्वेता रिसर्च कर ले, जाके आ जा और हमको लेके जा. सो ऐसे भी
Okay.
बहुत सारे. सो दैट्स हाउ आई कम टू नो अबाउट दिस लोकेशंस. मतलब
तो in fact,
मनाली
श्वेता, बहुत जगहों का पता ही नहीं रहता.
हाँ,
इनफैक्ट
पता ही नहीं
मैंने from
रहता.
your profile I got to know कि अच्छा ये सारे, like, these are the places which are there and you can actually
या
visit them. तो
या एंड
videos
इवन
पे, YouTube पे, you don't have this information easily available. So yeah.
हाँ, या सब प्लेटफॉर्म से आपको सब नहीं मिलेगा. सो बिट्स एंड पीसेस में सब जगह से मिलता है. लाइक देर आर सम ग्रुप्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम which are into ancient temples, heritage and architecture. So you come to know about these places from different platforms. Not just, you don't get everything on YouTube or you don't
Yeah.
get everything on blogs. But
Got
I've
it.
been in touch with many people since last years जो मुझे भी हेल्प करते हैं, मैं उनको हेल्प करती हूँ. There are few travel operators जो वो लोग भी ऑर्बिट डेस्टिनेशंस सर्च करते रहते हैं. So that's how this small community is there who helps each other. So summer vacations आपने mention किया. Actually, yeah, because that is the time, April and May, I get time to I have some free time on my hand. Otherwise,
Okay.
from July onwards till March, I am busy with my group departures.
Okay.
But फिर भी
Okay.
उसमें से भी मैं weekdays पे time निकालती हूँ and then I go for a research trip. I personally prefer to do a research trip because these locations are not so easy to deal with. You know, आप अगर किसी को लेके जा रहे हैं, आप अपने travelers को लेके जा रहे हो, तो you have to be
Yeah.
very sure that they are not facing any inconvenience. उनको सब फैसिलिटीज अच्छे से मिल रही है. इवन दे ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि रिमोट लोकेशन है, थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि उनको इतनी प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो
Correct.
आपको ताजमहल के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी इजीली आपको,
Easily.
बट ग्वालियर के बारे में नहीं मिलेगी, या फिर आपको ओरछा के बारे में इजीली नहीं मिलेगी. It's since last 2-3 years I have seen that the awareness is getting created, awareness is getting generated about all these places, but फिर भी it is very difficult. So that's why I prefer to do research trips. I go solo at times, I go with my friends, I go
Yeah,
with my
I've seen.
sister.
I've seen.
Yeah,
Very
because
nice.
photos are
Very
important. फोटोज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं एंड ये समर में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं ट्रैवल करने के बिकॉज टेम्परेचर लाइक आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज इन खजुराहो एंड इट वाज almost 48 to 50 degrees. It was very difficult to explore, but we managed to do things. We preferred going in the early in the morning and completing everything, but it was
So,
pretty difficult. Yeah.
so Shweta, one question, like because you do solo trips before the research, is it very like how like from a safety point of view, how do you think is it easy for you to travel to these places just as a solo? I understand that if you're going in a group, it's much easier because there are more
Yeah.
people. But for your research part,
Solo.
what has been your experience?
सो वॉट एवर मैं पहले ना पढ़ के जाती हूँ कि कैसा है इवन इफ आई एम स्टेइंग एट अ हॉस्टल और इफ आई एम स्टेइंग एट अ होटल मैं ऐसे प्रॉपर जगह पे बुक करती हूँ विच इज वेरी सेफ इन सेफ लोकेशन
Okay.
बाकी बात रही सोलो ट्रैवल में एट टाइम्स आई एंड अप हायरिंग अ प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्रॉम द होटल इटसेल्फ बिकॉज रिलायबल सोर्सेज होते हैं यू कान टेक चांसेस ओवर देयर सो
Got it.
होटल का ही कोई गाड़ी हो जाता है पिक या फिर वहां पे कोई ट्रैवल ऑपरेटर के थ्रू एक गाड़ी बुक कर लिया सो आई प्रीफर टू बुक माई ओन व्हीकल व्हेन आई गो टू रिमोट
So
लोकेशंस
safety is not a concern as such.
या बिकॉज क्या होता है बहुत सारी मैं भोपाल में थी भोपाल के आसपास एक रायसेन करके पोर्ट है आई वॉज
Yeah.
ओनली फीमेल देयर एंड माई ड्राइवर अकम्पनीड मी बिकॉज ही न्यू that she is going to be there all alone. Many times my drivers have accompanied me to places just to see
Nice.
that she's safe. And so you meet people, even though you are solo, you meet a lot of people. मैं नागौर करके एक अजमेर के पास जगह है वहां पे भी मैं अकेली ही घूम रही थी एंड ऑटो वाला था तो ऑटो वाला बहुत सारी जगह पे आ रहा था क्योंकि उसको पता था लोकल्स रहेंगे पता नहीं मुंबई के मैडम है पता नहीं क्या सो ही यूज्ड टू कम टू हेल्प मी ही यूज्ड टू कीप एन आई ऑन मी सो या यू मीट इंटरेस्टिंग पीपल you they
So
look
it's
up to
all
you.
like at the end of it, you're like, सब ठीक है, it's all sorted.
Something
Kind
and
of.
you, yeah. I mean, you have to take your precautions. I prefer to come to my hotel by 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the evening. I don't
Okay.
prefer to venture out. I prefer to eat at my hotels at times. If I feel that it is, really very remote and it's not safe to venture out. So yeah, I take my precautions. But at the end of the day, there are helpful people. You get definitely there are a lot of other concerns as well. बहुत लोग अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. But then you have to
Okay.
protect yourself.
Got it. Okay. So, like, really interesting things to know from you, Shweta. Now, there's another thing which I want to ask. Like, abhi, because the situation is like, especially for travel industry, the situation has been like really upside down ho chuka hai sara. And COVID has people are not traveling. People
Yeah.
don't know. Like, abhi to at least I think for me, if you ask me, I might not travel for at least a year. But
Yeah. Yeah.
like when like you as a you have a travel startup, what has been your experience and how are you keeping yourself positive in this difficult phase right now? If I have to put it like that.
Yeah, definitely. I think travel and hospitality industries are majorly affected by this, and I think they will be the last industries to get recovered from this pandemic. I think, but then I mean, instead of just waiting like when this is going to get over or वेट करते रहो या टेंशन लेते रहो कि अरे कभी होगा पता नहीं आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव फाइनेंशियल कंसर्न्स होते ही
Yeah,
है प्रॉब्लम्स बट देन यू
correct.
हैव टू थिंक कि व्हाट वी यू कैन डू बेस्ट इन दिस पैंडेमिक एंड सब हम लोग सिर्फ वही टेंशन लेते रहते हैं बट दैट इज नॉट द वे टू डील विद दिस स्ट्रेस so at present what we are doing is like we had started our website when we had launched Tripper Journeys. So
Okay.
there need to be lot of changes done, additions done, but time नहीं मिल रहा था because I was on roads for almost 3 years last 3 years. So अभी हम
Okay.
लोग वही कर रहे हैं. We are revamping our website. We are doing some additions. थोड़े changes कर रहे हैं. तो वो एक project है. Then I'm working on my travel content. I write short stories at times.
Right.
I'm editing my pictures. I'm editing my pictures of the trips which I took like a year back or so. So बीच में टाइम ही नहीं मिला था. So all this working on travel content is going to help when the travel industry is going to start pick up. So
Okay.
आप अपने कंटेंट पे काम करते रहो. I'm going to start learning about creating videos. I'm going to take some courses in like I've started Digital Garage by Google. तो वो भी एक मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया है.
Right.
And yeah, I'm working on my research trips that I'll be taking once it is little safe to travel. I've uh, uh, I've taken down few places that I wanted to do since long, and कुछ trips तो मेरी because of lockdown ही cancel हो गई थी. So वो
Okay.
कुछ trips पे काम चल रहा है, research चल रहा है. So yeah, I keep myself busy with
So
all
your
these things.
like your work is not stopped. You are just
It is not
very
stopped.
good.
Yeah, the
Very good.
business has stopped, but the work has not stopped. And you should not go like out of the action. Missing in action is not a travel company should do. Well, you have to keep connected. It's not just about your clients. It's about your vendors, आपके जो
Yeah,
भी
that's a
hotel
very good
operators हैं,
point.
local operators हैं. Yeah, उनके साथ टच में रहो, उनको पूछो कि उनका क्या चल रहा है, because
Yeah.
everybody is going through a difficult situation and you have to maintain these relations. So that also I do. I talk with my clients, my travelers. They are also like very eager to travel. So it helps to create positivity at the end of the day. It's not just
Right.
about making money. It's not just about making business, but what difference you're making to other people's life during this lockdown is also important. Mental health, I mean, we know how important it is to work on your mental health. So yeah, I mean, it's not just about business, but there are a lot of other things that can keep you motivated during this pandemic. Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Very, very, very
Yeah.
good points which you have mentioned. So there are few comments. I'll just quickly read them out.
Okay.
So Traveler Lens is saying, Shweta, you should start a YouTube channel. So that is one request. Then there was one question someone just asked. It's Gurjag. He's asking, would you prefer long distance trips or more trips nearby Mumbai? So
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you want to quickly take this
Long
question.
distance trip nearby Mumbai.
Huh. Do you
Okay.
want to
So
take a long distance trip or something which is a shorter trip which is near Mumbai and stuff?
I mean, is he talking about the? I mean, if I talk about the pandemic thing or in general, pandemic only.
Yeah, he's not
I
mentioned
think
anything,
so.
but
I
yeah.
So we do long distance trips a lot, but after
Huh.
the pandemic or with the social distancing norms in place, I think people will explore the nearby locations. I mean, if
Okay.
I'm in Mumbai, I would prefer to explore something in Maharashtra or in something around Mumbai, considering the current circumstances. And
Okay.
by default, हम लोग
Yeah,
तो long
current
distance करते
scenario.
ही हैं. Yeah,
You just
yeah.
mentioned current scenario.
Current
Yeah.
scenario. Yeah. So yeah, I think not just me, but many people would prefer to explore their
Yeah.
something which is nearby their location. They would prefer traveling by their own vehicle, I think, because
Yeah.
we don't
Yeah.
know by traveling by train or traveling by flight. I mean, though social distancing norms are in place for airline industry, still we do not want to take a chance because at present the cases are pretty high. So yeah, I mean, people will start traveling, and people will start traveling by their own vehicle. They might carry their own tent. They might not prefer staying in hotels for some time. Even though
Right.
hotel industry is also revamping everything, they are also
Yeah.
sanitizing everything. But people will refrain from traveling for a while, and once they start traveling, they will travel by their own vehicle.
Got it.
And I think by 2021 it should start picking up. I mean, the group tours and all that, it should.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't know when it is going to start, but we can just be optimistic. By 2021 I think we can see some kind of growth. It will take
Nice.
years actually, but थोड़ा तो start हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. Yeah. Actually. So
Because
there is.
GDP, अपना tourism is contributing almost 10% of the GDP. It is
Okay.
not it is a big number.
Big
So
number.
it will pick up eventually. So वो हो ही जाएगा धीरे धीरे.
Got it.
Yeah.
There is Aniket Pote who's saying big fan Shweta madam, lots of love.
Yeah, yeah, he has traveled with me. He had come on
Oh,
my tour.
okay. So cool, so cool. So Shweta, really like interesting things to know, and like being, it's very important to stay positive, and that's what I've understood that. Like, ठीक है यार, situation will be bad, things will, there are phases, ups and downs are there, but it's okay. You should keep
Yeah, it's
moving, yeah, exactly.
I mean, every business
Okay.
has ups and downs. ये बहुत ज़्यादा
Yeah,
down हो गया, but अभी you can't help it. It is really out of your control. You can just
interesting.
be positive and motivated, nothing else.
Okay. I have, I usually ask this question, and especially I really want to understand from you that, people have, there are so many career options that are available today. Uh, in creative fields especially, or offbeat career options, like people ask me, if you know, parents have this mentality that you should become a doctor, or people who are not having, they don't have the awareness right now. And if you tell them, you know, okay, I travel, they will not understand, especially some generations, and some generations might not understand. So what is your opinion about picking these career choices? What do you think that, you know, a person who wants to, or he is thinking, or she is thinking about doing this, you know, it can be anything, maybe travel or food industry or
A
any
lot of
other
people have
industry.
started yoga YouTube
Yeah,
channels, or
exactly.
they're
Yeah.
into fitness. It is
What is,
possible. I mean, yeah. So even my parents, I mean, my mom was very supportive in the beginning, since the beginning, and my dad was little afraid. I mean, of course, why to leave a conventional job with a fixed income area, and you have already studied so much. I'm an ICWA by qualification. I also hold a gold medal. But so dad को यही था कि इतना आपने पढ़ाई कर लिया है, then क्यों आप जॉब छोड़ रहे हो, and it will be very difficult. But then मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि लेट्स डू समथिंग. आई मीन अगर 2-3 साल करने के बाद भी अगर नहीं हो रहा है वर्कआउट, देन वी विल सी. आई कैन ऑलवेज कम बैक टू कॉर्पोरेट. But
right?
I think these orbit career choices are picking up nowadays. A lot of people have become full-time travelers, digital nomads. अभी travel का थोड़ा I mean it's not doing well, but people did find courage to leave their jobs and start something in travel. They are doing blogging, a lot of vlogging. Not just about that, a lot of people have started their fitness channels. Baking, a lot of people have got into baking. They've left their careers, and they have started cooking and baking. So these career choices are good, but you have to keep working hard. You have to do your research, which is basic for any kind of business. You have to do your competitor analysis. Who all are there? What is the research that is required to carry out your business?
Yeah.
And then what happens in case of these orbit choices ना, थोड़ा टाइम भी लग सकता है. Maybe it will take 3 months, 6 months,
Yeah.
8 months, or a year to पैसे आने में थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है आपके. इन केस ऑफ मी बुकिंग्स आने में टाइम लग सकता है. तो बट यू डू नॉट हैव टू नो गिव अप, बिकॉज कोई भी स्मॉल बिजनेस है ना, आप 2 साल मिनिमम देना चाहिए. यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. यू in the initial 2 years you have to keep working hard. You do not have to expect results कि बाबा जल्दी आ जाएगा. Even though जल्दी भी आ जाता है, then you have to be consistent also. You have to be innovative. You have to do something different every other time. अगर फिर भी
Yeah.
आपको सक्सेस भी मिल रही है, तो भी you have to maintain that success, और you have to थोड़ा उससे आगे भी बढ़ना है. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि you will be successful, or you will be you won't get any success for few months, but you have to stick. Like मुझे कभी कभी होता है कि अरे बट माई फ्रेंड्स कीप टेलिंग मी जस्ट हैंग इन देयर श्वेता, थोड़ा टाइम जाने दे, हो जाएगा. आई मीन डोंट थिंक अबाउट. जब भी ये लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हो गया था, आई हैड टू कैंसिल माई 4-5 टूर्स. तो मुझे भी थोड़ा सा टेंशन आ गया था कि अभी क्या करेंगे. आई मीन व्हाट इज द अल्टरनेटिव करियर चॉइस, बिकॉज आई हैड ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट माई जॉब. सो ये करियर ऑप्शन ऑलरेडी मैंने ले लिया था. सो मुझे कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि ये कर लो, वो कर लो, सर्वाइवल है, ये है. बट मैंने सोचा कि ना, आई थिंक आई विल ग्रूम माई existing business. I'll hang in there. You have to hang in there. You have to be patient. Every time it's not about money. थोड़ा business setup होने में time जाता है. So आप अगर
Right.
पैशन के साथ काम करोगे और ऑनेस्टी के साथ काम करोगे, रिजल्ट तो मिलने ही हैं. थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है. या बट इट इज अ गुड. आई मीन आजकल लोग मतलब मैंने तो व्हेन आई क्विट माय जॉब आई वाज 32. बट आज लोग बहुत एट एन अर्ली एज ओनली दे आर गेटिंग इनटू ऑर्बिट करियर चॉइसेस, व्हिच इज गुड.
Yeah, which is very
So
good.
it is always better to start on time, rather than just keep thinking about it. थोड़ा तो ट्राई कर लो 2-3 साल. जॉब्स तो है ही, जॉब्स तो मिलेंगे
Yeah.
ही, बट
You can always go back to your job. There's
you
like
can always
nobody.
go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can always
Nice.
go back.
Very,
You have
very
your,
nice.
like in my case I'm qualified enough. I'll get a job. थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है उसमें भी मिल जाएगा, बट यू कैन गिव अ ट्राई. सो वही किया मैंने, आई थिंक. एंड इट्स बीन प्रीटी गुड जर्नी सो फार. मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, बट मुझे भी आई थिंक मैंने जब लॉन्च किया तभी विद इन अ मंथ मेरे 5-6 टूर्स फुल हो गए थे. So that's how it is.
Wow.
You have to just stick there. Yeah.
Nice. Very, very good. Yeah. Very,
Yeah.
like, it's so nice to hear such positive, things because this helps you motivate you if you want to do something. Just ठीक है, just give yourself
Hang
some
in
time
there.
and be happy. Hang in there. Yeah, that should be the
मतलब मैं
mantra.
I'll tell you, मेरे close friends है कुछ, जिन्होंने भी यही start किया था, मतलब they left their job and they struggled in the beginning and they struggled for years, to get it right, but they did
Okay.
it eventually. थोड़ा time गया उनका भी कि मतलब मतलब मैं जब भी start करना सोच रही थी तभी उन्होंने मुझे बोला, see, think about it before getting into it, it is not so easy.
हाँ.
आई
Okay.
मीन मेरे केस में टूर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग करना बहुत इजी नहीं, ये इजी नहीं होगा, यू हैव टू गो टू सेम प्लेस अगेन एंड अगेन, बहुत इश्यूज आएंगे, तो जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट बिकॉज हम लोगों ने पहले सहन कर लिया है. सो ये होता
Okay.
है. आई मीन यू हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट इज गुड फॉर यू, व्हाट इज कीपिंग यू मोटिवेटेड, व्हाट आर यू पैशनेट अबाउट, तो ही ये वर्क
Got it.
होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब आई विल टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, मुझे ऐसे करियर ऑप्शंस भी, मतलब ट्रैवल में मुझे जैसे इन्होंने बोला कि यूट्यूब चैनल चालू कर दो, मुझे भी बोला कि श्वेता व्हाई डोंट यू डू ब्लॉगिंग और व्हाई डोंट यू डू वीलॉगिंग, तुम टूर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में कहाँ जा रही हो, बहुत सारे ट्रैवल ऑपरेटर्स ऑलरेडी है, तुम क्यों कर रही हो
हाँ. Why are you getting
वीलॉगिंग.
invested?
हाँ तुम, बट इजी नहीं है ना, ब्लॉगिंग भी इजी नहीं है, एंड यू हैव टू लाइक इट, यू हैव टू एंजॉय इट.
Enjoy it.
मतलब मैंने
Yeah.
ट्राई करा है ब्लॉग लिखना, बट I think what I like the most is I love taking
You
people to
being
places.
there.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I don't mind going to the same place again and again in the same year, because I have different people every other time. So that's what keeps me motivated. And I really, I mean, money is one thing, but जब भी ये लोग मुझे थैंक यू बोलते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, श्वेता थैंक्स फॉर टेकिंग अस टू दिस काइंड ऑफ प्लेसेस वी विच वी नेवर थॉट एग्जिस्टेड इन इंडिया. सो
Yeah.
दिस इज समथिंग मोर देन मनी. मनी तो है, पैसे तो है, बट दिस इज समथिंग विच कीप्स मोटिवेटेड. सो वैसे ही आपको वही काम करना है जो आपको मोटिवेटेड रखता है, ब्लॉगिंग हो, वीलॉगिंग हो, या कुछ भी हो. सो
You
you
should just
you
be
are the better,
motivated.
yeah, you are the better judge of your life यार. मतलब कोई और क्या बोल रहा है उससे, ठीक है, गिरोगे पढ़ोगे, कभी ना कभी तो उससे ऊपर आओगे ना. So you have to be motivated, you have to be very positive.
Nice. I think it summed it up beautifully. I think a lot of useful inputs for somebody who who wants to take a career or choose something like this. Like, I just have one last question before we sign off. Like, what is that one advice you have for small businesses, people who are like who want to start something, these budding entrepreneurs? What is that one single thing which you want to tell them or advise them?
Uh, I have already mentioned that just hang in
Yes.
there, keep doing
Yeah.
your efforts. If you know that you are true in your work, you're honest enough in your work, you're working hard, you're doing everything you can to make your business work, then
True.
time, and you do your research. Obviously do your research, know your competitors well, मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, वो सब आप अगर करोगे ना, तो आई थिंक यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल. अप्स एंड डाउन सब जगह होते हैं, बट यू हैव टू हैंग इन देयर. Another thing which I would like to mention is like keep your expenses little low in first 2 years maybe,
Okay.
क्योंकि बहुत help करता है. मैंने भी वही किया. I have been very self-dependent in last 2 years. I do everything. I do promotions. I do bookings. I do research trips on my own. I do
Anything.
everything. I do even mailers, clients को mails लिखना, vendors को mails लिखना, ये सब कुछ मैं करती हूँ. Why? Because I wanted to keep my cost little low. और expansion जब भी होगा तभी होगा. I'll have a team. But in the initial years, I thought कि let's keep it little low. That helps
Okay.
eventually. I work from home. I don't need an office because I do not have a team. So there are a lot of factors like जो आप अगर कोई छोटा बिजनेस, छोटा या बड़ा कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, you have to keep this, what is really important, what is really essential. You work on that and then you can and make something good out of it.
Nice. Very, very beautifully said, very crisp, very to the point, and I think मैं ये सारे inputs I think I'll use it for myself. And Shweta, I think when this lockdown gets not lockdown, when this situation is under control, I hope it happens soon. I'm definitely going to join one of your tours. And I've been like, I don't think मैंने भी कोई ऐसी full female trip की है कभी भी. and I would love to come, and it would be a
Yeah,
great
I
experience
would be
for sure. I know that.
happy to
And
host you.
I have seen a Spiti Valley, you know, to
Yeah,
travels, and they have been so beautiful. And I will be coming definitely. It
yeah, for
was
sure, Shivani, you always
literally,
welcome.
yeah. And thanks again, Shweta. Thank you so much for your time and coming on chat with Creative Locals. I think बहुत inspiring. Your story is really really inspiring. Personally, for
Thank you
me,
so
I
much.
was very excited, and I think people who have joined, I'm sure उनके लिए भी बहुत inspiring रही होगी. So just I will just end it with saying it, hang it there. Things will work
Yeah,
out. Yeah.
yeah. Thanks,
Anything else
Shivani.
you want to say, Shweta? Yeah.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, thanks, Shivani, for having me here. Actually,
Yeah. My
this
pleasure.
was my first Insta live. I was little bit afraid before coming live, but yeah, you made it really comfortable, and thanks for giving me this platform to share my story.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, it
it
was
was
a good
all my
experience.
pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah, chalo, yeah,
There
bye
have
bye.
been some comments. So everybody is
Okay.
saying thank you, very
Oh,
inspirational story.
yeah,
And yeah, so I'm sure people would have enjoyed the session. ठीक है.
hope so.
Okay then. Bye.
Chalo, yeah,
Everyone, bye
bye.
and thanks for joining.
Yeah.
Bye, Shweta.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.